Good morning, Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care, and today we're in front of this late model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, so it has an issue of a extended crank. All right, you might push the button in, everything seems okay, the engine wants to turn over, no issues with it cranking. However, the vehicle will not fire up and will not start. May take a while to do so. So what we have through testing is actually a really faulty fuel pump relay. Now, the fuel pump relay originally is located inside this collective relay center, all right, and it's integrated into this, we'll call it just the relay box. So there is a recall. There is a recall out on this, which actually has a fuel pump relay being separated outside that box and actually bypassed into a whole new relay. Now the kit looks like this, okay? It is a federal recall, which means that the manufacturer will take care of it. There's approximately 188,000 vehicles affected by this recall. All right, Jeeps and Dodge Durangos, because they kind of share a similar makeup, okay? So if you are experiencing situations like this, and you have a 2011, 2012, early 2012 model, and you can verify that by verifying your VIN code with any professional or your servicing dealer, but you want to make sure you get that taken care of, because not only will it affect the starting procedures of the vehicle, it'll also cause a stalling situation. It'll cut out at any time, and you never want that to happen. So a little bit of a safety concern, so that's why we're making this video. It is a recall. Your dealer can take care of it for you, or your independent repair shop can take care of it as well if you are out of network, meaning that if it's too far for you to see the dealer, there may be ways for you to have the professional do it in your local area and have reimbursement from Chrysler. But you have to check that out, okay? It's an individual basis. So again, late model Jeeps, late model Durangos with a long extended crank and shutoff. So make sure you get that taken care of, okay? Greg Buckley, thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.